The firefighters were hanging out by their fire truck until suddenly...
Hello, firefighters! I need your help! I was doing a costume party, but all of my friends got taken away by pirates! Can you please help me?
Of course we'll help you. We'll do our very best to help you find your friends. Alright, firefighters, let's go to work.
Thank you, I really appreciate your help. This is what the pirates look like, firefighters.
We'll find them in no time. Let's do it. Let's go find those pirates.
Thank you, I really appreciate your help. There they are. They're in their pirate ship. Those are the pirates.
Let's make our way back out to the sea. Hey, firefighters. Let's get those pirates before they make their way back out to the sea.
Let's follow them.
They're getting away.
Yes.
Let's follow them.
Stop now.
Release everyone you've taken. Does that even mean?
I think it means we should spray him with water. Arg. 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 Oh no, what have you done to my friends? Arg. Arg.
We're giving you another chance to release everybody.
Never.
Ha, you miss me. We won't miss again.
Okay, I've had enough.
Alright, we found the animals and here they are. Here's a tiger wearing a blue hat. Here's a cat dressed as a bat. Here's an elephant wearing a pink hat. Here's a giraffe wearing a green hat. Here's a dog dressed as a dinosaur. Here's a lion with a pink crown. We found all the animals. Great job, firefighters.
Thank you, firefighters, for rescuing my friends. You're so kind. I love you.
It's
our pleasure.
It's
our pleasure. Thank you for saving my friends and making our costume party perfect. Thank you.